Testing, testing. We are now live. Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. And here we are, Wall Street Pete. How's everyone doing? Good morning. It's Monday. I know it's Monday. I understand it's Monday. Had some morning news. Instagram. I suggest you get Instagram. When people start thinking you are crazy, you are on the right track. As I've been told before, I definitely agree with that. Depends on what kind of crazy. But Sicto in crypto. If you want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto, hit that like and subscribe. Greetings, by the way. My brain has malfunctioned. That's hilarious. What's the matter? I guess I was messing with you on that. I'm sorry we took a minute. We were trying to get prepared here. This is the daily chart of the Bitcoin price. I have a couple fundamentals, couple things, a little bit of news for everybody to pay attention to. Definitely to mention. And if you like making Sicto in crypto, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so when we go live, you can get this information immediately. Otherwise, you're going to be on the other side wondering, am I going live? When's the next big important news? And if you look here, well, this is the Bitcoin dominance when we were last at the 50. And when I say 50, it's really important because 50 is the only way we are going to be in a bullish market on the Bitcoin price. So until we receive the Bitcoin dominance above this price from here to here on this dominance, you will not be bullish. I don't care what anybody says. I wanted to curse. Good morning, Alex. I don't give a effing F what anybody says about this. The truth of the matter is if we're not above this price or at on the Bitcoin dominance, if we're not surging into this, you might as well just say, hasta la vista, baby. It's Monday. Today sucks and have a negative impact on your day. You just have to understand that that's a factor. Big factor, okay? Factor one. Okay, two. Relative strength index chart. As I blow it up a little bit so I can make people understand what we're looking at here. Yeah, I'm sucking at that. There we go. Here's the relative strength index chart. Now, if you go all the way back, we're looking at a four-weekly. So this is the four-weekly RSI. Yes. Let's see if I can fix that a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So down here, if you've noticed, this is January of June. I'm sorry, June of 21. This is the very beginning of the month. So this represents the beginning of the month, the relative strength index, right about the beginning, right? Because if we go all the way back, this was the beginning coming up. And then if you notice, a few days we went up, then we took a huge hit in the first week. So what I'm trying to get at and trying to explain to everybody here is that we're falling in this current moment of the RSI. So this is where we are at the current. We are currently at this point. If I do it again, I'm going to screen, right? I always say that. There we go. You got to right click to do that so you don't keep dragging. This is trading view. So what we're doing here is we're hitting this double bottom. What's happening is we're retesting this bottom. Instead of spiking up, see what we did here? We hit a little spike, as we did. Spike. Then it said, nah, we're not doing that today, and came right back to where we were. Well, last time we did that, we came right back to where we were, then fell a little lower. So now we have to pay attention to this on the relative strength index chart. This is the little diagram, little chart I made for you before we came on. I usually don't do shit like this, but I'm starting to change. Starting to put a little more homework in before I come on now. A little more. What I'm saying is TA-wise, so you can understand what I expect. We've hit this bottom here before on the 24, which is what the RSI strength is, relative strength index of the Bitcoin price. Currently, it's the USD right there is the chart we're looking at. That's what I'm expecting. So maybe a little up momentum, fake your ass out. Oh, this is it. We're going up, right? 32.4. If you follow me on Instagram, you know 32.4 on Instagram. We were talking about it. I'm here on Instagram. It's right here. We talked about all these levels, 35.5. Here, we need to see 36.3 to break to have the bulls to wake up. We did not, right? So that's clear indicator of what I was just saying. We had grabs for Father's Day, and happy Father's Day if you are a father. Now all the way down to my price. If you pay attention, 32.4 is right here. This was a day ago. So this is, 24 hours ago. I'm trying to explain to you that this bottom wick here, and if you see my crosshairs, it's not a joke. This wasn't a joke. The crosshair, and if you're on my Instagram, Wolves, you would know. We talked about 32.4, BTC 32.4, this target I've been waiting for this entire weekend. Need a bounce after the final price. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Thought you'd know. Hit the like, subscribe, baby. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. If you see what's going on, where are we at currently? Well, we're a little more below than what I said on that chart. We're currently at the 32.1. but we are consolidating through there and now coming up, hitting a little steadily here. We're going to hope we get some steadily fly. We're going to hope we get an ascending triangle, really looking for that ascending triangle, that bounce into here where you create a new high. See the trend line? See this trend line against? This is what I'm going to show you. What color can we do it? We'll do blue. This is what I need from the rest of the candles coming forward. So the rest of the candles coming into my ascending triangle, we would need, or a bullish wedge, we would need to form, and then you would see some type of bullish action. But if we don't get this, then I mean, there's a lot of things to look at. This is the daily. So by the day, right? By the day, I'm going to go to an indicator. Like I said, Bitcoin dominance, right? Daily. Bitcoin dominance, if you see here, it's the fucking scariest thing I've ever seen in my life. And if you have kids, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for yelling. I'm sorry for cursing, as David Chappelle would say, right? I'm sorry. He would smoke and then he would be like, I'm sorry. Get me some cheese dips and some pizza and some of that shit we didn't get back in the day. Yeah, it was, I can't say it. So look at what's happening to the Bitcoin dominance. I hope you had a great Father's Day. I was watching Half Baked, obviously the reason why I'm talking about David Chappelle. Half Baked was a great movie. I wish David Chappelle would do the Fully Baked and bring all the characters back. The Bitcoin dominance is falling. We came through on a fake dead cat, dead man's bounce, whatever the hell you want to call it. What is the dead cat bounce? It's a continuously up at the peak. You think it's coming up. Oh, we're done. Up. Nope. And then you create new lower lows. And you're like, up, we're coming. Nope. Up, I'm going to come up. Nope. Up, we're going to come up. Nope. Right? And then you continue doing this to the point where if you bought the dip, you're sipping on piss. You're not having a sip of anything well. You're not having a sip of anything good. Speaking of sip. So when I say buy the dip, have a sip, you have to really be careful because you could buy the dip and have a sip of piss, and nobody, as I choked on this water, wants to have a sip on piss, especially hot piss in the summertime. Speaking of summer, summertime. Yeah, I can't have a deep voice and then sing that high. Yeah, summertime, right? I hope you're enjoying your summer. Pay attention to where we've been here, following through. If you've noticed, this is the Bitcoin dominance. We've been here for a long time. Well, notice we're flying down for a quick time. Get rid of everything I showed, all this garbage. What am I sitting here bashing, bullshitting about? I'm talking about how we could have bought the dip and really hurt ourselves. I'm trying not to ramble here. I want to get to the point. The point is that we finally could be breaking up on the Bitcoin dominance. Now, this is what I need you to pay attention. Pay attention, definitely to mention. The Bitcoin price is 32.4. This is the shit I was telling you about. It's exactly where I said we're under 2,000. If you have money to buy Ethereum, I'm no registered financial advisor, but shit, I would be going to the bank right now and emptying out more and buying more Ethereum as it's so Ethereum. Ethereum is my girlfriend, and don't be so dumb. You are so dumb. Buy some Ethereum. Yes, I'm just trying to say it's so cheap. DOGE Coin is now at 22 cents. Shit coins do some serious things when they do. I remember selling out at 36 cents, somewhere, I think it was 37, 38, and I was sitting here bragging, like, oh, that was the greatest thing I ever did, and I got out and I never got back in, and I'm just trying to explain. It's nuts. What's going on with Bitcoin price? Well, you guys are very quiet today. It's kind of weird. Boom shakalaka. What's up? Good morning. Bitcoin price is 32.4, 32.5, but yet we still have a Bitcoin dominance. We still have the Bitcoin dominance of this superior number. I'm trying to help you explain that. To me, that's a superior number of the Bitcoin dominance. You want me to point it exactly for you? The man on the moon back there. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Don't be rude. Saquon Barkley's going to have a great year, by the way. 26, pick up sticks, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm feeling alive this morning. Get on that ride. Get on that joy. And don't play too much with your own toy. Let's go, right? Hope for Father's Day. Maybe you fooled around. You're going to have a boy. Next year you'll be a Father's Day. You'll be actually a father, right? If you're not. And if you don't have a father, please don't get upset. Some people don't have mothers or fathers, right? And if they have one or the other, you just need to be happy for what you have. Okay, so finally what I'm trying to get at on the Bitcoin dominance, and this is the daily now, we're starting to get something where it's called a rising wedge. We all know that this is something possible to be created here. But we have to look at what the Bears are doing. As I'm wearing the Bears, it's bad. I'm wearing the Bears, right? The Bears are winning. I got my Bears shirt on. I'm not talking about Chicago Bears. I'm not going to trade and wear another football jersey when I rep New York. New York, I got $100 million. Yes, I'm from New York. This is how we do. Represent New York all day, man. It's for real. That's what I do. New York is love. I'm telling you, it's a place, a special place. Hey, Philly's a good place too. They're hurting right now because the Sixers, Ben Simmons is a bum. I was saying Ben Simmons is a bum, and it's a shame that they got to deal with that guy. He's scared to shoot. I don't want nobody scared, just like me, right? You want somebody scared to tell you about what to do with your money? I ain't scared. We all know I ain't scared. We're looking for something similar to this trend on the Bitcoin dominance. It's going to fluctuate. We're looking for this kind of a trend. We need this Bitcoin dominance to break through the 46. If it can do this in the Bitcoin dominance, I'm trying to show you here, can repeat to the level here and then break through the 46.61. I never did this before in Bitcoin dominance. I just want you to understand that this is important. This is coming up through into the green line here. And if we start bashing through the old price of where we came to, because this wick that was talking shit, and I'm trying to explain to you, these wicks can talk some shit and mean something. One candlestick, the Japanese candlestick, which is what happened. I have the book up there. I don't know where it went. I was reading it. I always read it. I'll repeat it 100 times, and I suggest you read candlestick books. One candlestick can do a lot of things for you. And amen to the Japanese for creating the candlestick as they created the engine. They definitely created the engine token. This is another one. So pay attention. Like I said, I don't want to jump back too much, but this is 32.5. We're starting to come alive. The Bitcoin dominance needs to raise back to here. So I just wanted to get off of and say that before I stop and get off that topic. I almost did. I'm sorry. We need BTC dominance here. We need to retest back there on the Bitcoin dominance. Doesn't sound important to anyone. You'll never see another YouTuber talk about this currently at this as being an importance. That's fine. This is what makes me unique and different from everyone else. Hit the like button, please. What we're going to do now is we're going to talk about a little more than just the Bitcoin dominance. This is the daily on the Bitcoin price. Now we're currently here. We need to change tonight. We went to the weekly and we got a new weekly. I don't know if anyone's seen that. Pay attention to that. Not the monthly. Ooh, the monthly looks crazy. The weekly, here we go. So the weekly, we're starting to get something here. Now, this is something scary because I really don't want to go through this. Wow. This would be some type of action where we'd come down a little lower if you've seen, and we would just be sitting here doing this. And I know a lot of people, if you look at this time frame, look at that, May 2022. That would mean that we would be in a bearish trend for 4 years. We would go into a cycle to where we would, it would be boring. And my money would be sitting. I would be trading on leverage on all of this. This is all everyone would be able to do. The rest of the people that were longing, and the rest of the people that would be shorting or whatever, they'd be only people that could make these types of moves. And this would become a boring market. And then shit like this would just make the market look like that. It would be very boring. There would be a 4-year trend. The bull market would be the bull market would be over. It would be considered over at the 65 price. I'm trying to get people to understand that the 65K mark for 2021 would have been over. It's really scary. If you seriously start thinking about this, this kind of sucks. It's the truth. Who the hell am I to talk like this? I'll just tell you, I'm Wall Street Pete, this little handsome guy, worked in New York. Speaking of New York, the Mercantile Exchange, they're trying to make it look like it never existed. I was a clerk. I was learning to get ready to trade. I had $50,000 getting ready to save. I wanted to do it. I was going to do it online, just like everything was going digital. I was not able to. We crashed down in the building. It's now the Van Gogh Art Museum in New York at Vesey Street. Go check it out. I guess I'm advertising for Van Gogh for you. It's the building I used to work at. It's the memories of Wall Street Pete. That's why I'm Wall Street Pete. I'm not a registered financial advisor. I'm just a man that used to be surrounded by all these lunatics, every one of them. And all these lunatics were the most amazing motherfucking people you'll ever have met. And you know what? If you met some of these people here and you're watching my show and you're watching my podcast, my video, my YouTube channel, whatever you want to call it, these people were amazing. Go reach out to one of them. It's amazing. I don't want this to happen, okay? This is the weekly. Weekly candles do this, and we are weekly fucked. Many weeklies. I'm just trying to explain to you the possibilities, the rarability of some nightmares. There's a possibility. This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare that could come true. If you see this line here, when was this? January 2021. Do you understand that I told you, Elon Musk, I told you all of this happened, and it's almost like we forget. 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion, right? Tesla bought. We already knew that. But we forget. Right here in the February mark. We forget. So we got to be reminded. We talked about May 12th, have this big dip here. Well, we're all the way here now, and it's what? It's almost July. Ladies and gentlemen, it's almost July. 1 billion or so, maybe? Like, who knows? Can we go check the addressees and go find out? Like, can we find out? Because right now, the speculation and everything that's going on between the TA, the Twitters, what? Oh, can we talk about this? Can we talk about this? Elon Musk has changed his Twitter profile to just Bitcoin. Hashtag Bitcoin. The SpaceX and Tesla CEO also tweeted its retrospective expect in was inevitable. The price of Bitcoin immediately soared. SpaceX and what did it say? He changed his Twitter. This was a while ago, I think, right? Let's go back to and see what it is. I wanted to go back to when he changed it. So this is, I just wanted to show you. So ready? So this is what he does, right? And then he changes it and everyone goes nuts. Okay. So what did he do now? So he changed it now. I have to go over this. He changed it again, the little bastard. He did. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. He's doing something. Where is he? Shit. I can't find it, of course. Hold on, I get it. He changed it to, Elon Musk changed it to the second. That's what I was getting at. And I'll just type it in here. That'll come up. On Thursday, the 49-year-old, here it is, he changed it to the second. I got it. I'm sorry. So 4 days ago. All right. So what is the second? Is he talking about July 2nd? Think about this. These are the fundamentals. These are the things that no one even thinks about or talks about. The Tesla chief has had a huge part to play in the crypto market, with his tweets proving to be dangerous for investors worldwide, especially in the case of Bitcoin. So we now have to pay attention to what the fuck he tweets and what the fuck he says, right? And if you don't, shame on you, because this big, sparkling, shiny Bitcoin here is something where you have your money in. So why would you not pay attention to this and put your money in here? So whoever doesn't follow Elon Musk, there's 57 million 0.3 people who do, or whatever the number is. If you're one of them, you're a fool. It's almost like not following Wall Street Pete. If you don't follow me, you're considered a fool almost, because I'm giving you free information. I'm not asking for money. And that's what he's doing. He's fucking you and loving you for free and screwing you for free. And he's not even buying you a drink. What's going on as we talk about this? Bitcoin prices saw a huge fall recently after Musk said his Tesla would not accept payments in the Bitcoin as promised. So it's similar back to Happy New Year on the chart that I showed you. The entrepreneur has said that the reason for the decision was because the environmental concerns caused by Bitcoin mining. And then I told you, yep, he sends rockets into the fucking moon. They explode. They do whatever, the ones that are good, that are bad, and there's no emissions, right, in a rocket. Please help me. There's no fuel that he uses, right? The fuel is just imaginary. Okay, that's not bad for the environment, but it's, you know why it's not bad? Because he's doing it. But if it's Bitcoin, we got to worry. We got to think about these kinds of things, right? Going back to David Chappelle. Yeah, I'm sorry for yelling. Yeah, I'm sorry for using Bitcoin. That's what he sounds like, the typical guy, like when he makes fun of him. However, in another tweet, he went on to explain that Tesla will resume using Bitcoin transactions once there's a confirmation of reasonable clean energy usage by miners, leading to the rise in the prices of Bitcoin and DOGE Coin. Interesting how Bitcoin and DOGE Coin are into the same conversation of my title today on the YouTube channel. So please hit the like and subscribe. Now it's a fact that Elon Musk's Twitter account has a huge part to play in what happens in these days. So guess what? I don't care no more. He changed it to the second. Here it is. If you're not following Elon Musk, you must. You must follow Elon Musk. We trust. Let's go get on the goddamn bus. I don't know what to tell you. June 2009 joined. This guy's been on here for a little bit. Wow, he's been destroying everyone. There are over 4,000 cryptos in the world today. This number will increase rapidly as crypto ecosystem grows. Each crypto has specific use cases, and innovations use cases will continue to merge. This is your time to participate in building large networks. India wants crypto. This is out of control. June 16, 2021. I'm trying to explain to you some of the greatest people talking here with information. Elon the second. It means the second rank of Dogecoin in the coin market. So now you know what the hell they're trying to talk about, what he believes. Thank you very much. I like that, what he's saying. This is a big deal. This is breaking to me. I like some of the things people say. We go over it. If Elon Musk the second, then who is Elon Musk the first? That is the creator of the Dogecoin. Satoshi, right? The man Satoshi. Who is the creator of Bitcoin? Who's the creator? It is Elon Musk. Come on, come out of the closet, Elon. Come out of the closet. Look at his smirk. He's looking like, you think they know? You think they know that I'm the creator of Bitcoin? Shit. Wall Street Pete knows what's going on. If you were the creator, let's get the chat time. Say what you want. Be the funniest guy here in the chat and write something stupid. Go ahead. Whatever you got to do. Here it is. If you were the creator of Bitcoin, if I was the creator of Bitcoin, as I shake the world with my voice, I would tell people immediately, yes, I am Satoshi. I created it. Yeah, who as I break Batman? Who is the Batman? I am Batman. Well, shit, I just broke Batman. Hit the like, subscribe, man. I'm crazy. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Listen to what I'm trying to explain to you. I'm trying to explain to you that if you were the creator of Bitcoin, you would come out immediately and tell everyone. If you were a rich mother effer, like someone already achieved that level, why would you want to tell everyone that you created it? Interesting. All I have to say is that it may not definitely be him, but it's a conspiracy that I have going on right now. And this gentleman's got me thinking something's going on. So now, we need to bounce off the 32.4 or we're out the door down below. And now it's not good, and I don't know what we're going to do next. So as I say, we get high volatility waves in the Bitcoin. I'm not a registered financial advisor, no. But we get these high volatile waves. I'm really upset I just fucked up Batman. I don't know if you understand that. I'm crazy. This is what it is. Everything's impossible until somebody does it. Batman. I'm just saying, let's go, right? We need these. This is Hobby Lobby. I went to Hobby Lobby and got some amazing things in the back here, and it's a great place. What's up, Rand? If you have not hit the like button, please do, because now I need more money. I need more money, right? Stop. I think I've gotten $20 in YouTube since I've been on this channel. I'm not collecting my money. I'll let it just sit there and then one day give it away to someone or do something. I don't need the money. I'm not. Somebody thinks I'm making a lot of money. You're crazy. You're actually absolutely crazy. I'm doing this for you. I want you to see what is going on. So this is the daily. We're going to get rid of this stuff. I'm going to repeat what we got to do now. After we just did the conspiracy and all the BS that was going on there, affiliated what I was trying to tell you. We're coming through 32.7, getting a little bit of some support. If you ask me, that is going to show me that something's going to happen because, look, we're on the weekly. So there's no reason to look at the weekly right now. We need to look at the more short-term what's happening soon. Because what's happening soon is if you understand that the trend line from the May 12th, and the May 12th is what I'm always going to talk about as the epic fall, because May 12th was never supposed to look like this. A lot of people don't understand. This is the forwardly. This is Bitcoin. We're going to start over on my TA. I want some people to really, really, really understand what's going on. This is hard to do here because it's a pain in my ass. I shouldn't have done it this way. All right, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. I actually got it where I want it. Okay. So this is, like I said, what is this? This is the 4 hourly. All right. So we were about there. 4 hourly, May 12th. That was before the hell broke loose. Everyone was excited. We're like, oh, look at this bounce, right? A lot of people thought that we were going to get something spectacular here. Even me. Okay? Then as we got closer to here, we hit this line down. We did some TA. We did know. We called this. We called a dramatic fall. I called it 3, 2, 4, even though I didn't see it really coming. I said this line coming down, we will see that. Guess what I'm doing here? This is even worse. We could come down to here, and then it's over. It's over. It's over, Red Rover, and Petey doesn't want to get over. That's the scariest right there. I'm not even looking at the price. We're back to 30, and we're really close. Can you be honest? What's closer? 30 and a half or the 59.7? What's more likely? The 30. What's worse than the 30? 27. That's what's really starting to scare me. If you come all the way down and check out why I'm saying this, well, this is the lowest little bad boy that was going to grandmother's house and took us all the way through the woods to grandma's house. We went, right? We were excited, and everyone was invited right there. That was the beginning of the 2021 before this year started. We're back. Happy New Year. I tried to tell everyone Happy New Year. No one understand what I meant. Elon Musk is the reason for half of this. A lot of this a lot of this, Elon Musk. And if you like this stuff, hit the like, subscribe, because we are going on a ride. We're going to the moon. I have to make you understand that we're going to hold this stuff. If we have to hold it, we're long people who holding. We're not trading on leverage. And I'm not a registered financial advisor, but we're going to make sick dough in crypto. And I thought you'd know. Follow Wall Street Pete on Instagram. I'll give you one quick chance to look at it and do it real fast. There it is, Wall Street Pete, wallst.pete on Instagram. The other one is for YouTube, and the other one is Twitch. I don't go on Twitch. I don't check it. It's just to get a couple people in on the podcast. I got rid of Facebook. It's official. Facebook is gone. It's gone. Goodbye. See ya. Do the cha-cha. I'm tired of Facebook. You can kiss my ass, Seabass. We're out of here like Vladimir. So now what are we talking about? We're talking about the possibility of where we're going here. This is what's the possibility. This is what I've been telling everyone for a long time. No one believes me. Everyone's like 25. I don't know what your 25 is doing, but if I go down to here, and I'm going to tell you right effing now, if we're going to these levels right here on the 25, then I'm just going to tell you right now, it's over. Okay, I'll see you in 4 years. We'll be talking about longing Bitcoin in 4 years. The 4-year cycle is over. That's what I'm trying to explain to people. 4-year cycle is over. This is the potential, what would happen. What would be? Let's be real. It would not be Christmas in July. It would be the opposite of everything we talked about. This would be the craziest thing I've ever seen. I would be miserable. I don't want Bitcoin to get this low. I'd rather trade or short Bitcoin when it's at 150,000. For my people, the whales that want to short Bitcoin, for these assholes that really want to short it that bad, can't we just get to there? Right? These douche knuckles, whatever you want to call them. A lot of people, they just want to, I don't know what it is, they want to kill Bitcoin. They're killing it. I'm just explaining it to you. And now here comes the news on what's making Bitcoin get its balls kicked in even worse. It's worse. Don't have to obey your thirst. I just got to double check and make sure for what's you is here. Yes, what's here is scary. I just seen it. Hold on, I'm coming back. Don't have a heart attack. From avoiding FOMO to having a plan. 5 ways to manage a crypto down cycle. That's funny. That's what Coinbase is offering. China mining is cracking down. It's out of control. And it's funny because I just had the information and it disappeared. I love it how it could do that. It did exactly what I needed to do. Hold on, I need to re-sign in. I apologize, everyone. This is why I did this. Oh yeah, we're doing great today. All right, doing good, guys. Wall Street Pete's having technical difficulties. Just bear with me for one quick moment. I'm really sorry. It's going to be worth it, though. I'll tell you that. What I'm going to show you is going to be worth that. Okay. All right, we're back. Apologize about that. I hope this will be worth it to you. Bitcoin now is down. I'm really upset because it's under it's not $1 trillion. Look where we're at. The market cap is $612 billion, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know how bad that is? Do you know how awful that is and how great it is at the same time? Good morning, Todd. Remember when DOGE Coin was 50 billion and then went to 80 billion? Does anyone remember that? Because I'm going to tell you right now, that means at a point very recent, last month, DOGE Coin was double Bitcoin's volume. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? You understand the words that are coming out of my mouth. It's out of control. That shouldn't even be possible, but it happened. Yeah, I can't mess with Binance right now and what's going on with that. That's another day, another topic. Morgan Stanley co-leads 48 million Series B for blockchain firm Securitize. Morgan Stanley, it's crazy what's going on, okay? What's happening is everyone's getting into it, and I think they're all taking turns laughing at us. As the small people sit here and go, oh my God, the sky is falling. They're laughing at us, and they're getting in. And I'm telling you, they're all getting together. There has to be a point in time where these whales, these people are getting together, and we're just looking like fools right now. It's insane. Look at the face. Miami tries to lure China's Bitcoin miners. Will they bite? No, they won't. They're smarter than us. They're trying to educate you what it is. I wanted to get to where it said what's happening with the mining. So I'm going to just tell you in a nutshell what's going on while we look at the TA. In a nutshell, China is massively cracking down on the mining. massively cracking down. Okay, it's a big problem. Good morning. This is a big mother effing problem. What we need to do now, in order to get back to where we need to be, to even see 39.3 at this point. 39.3 at this point seems like a light year away. This is what happens when you get into the bears. When the bears start winning, it's time to start joining. Can't beat them, join them. Hit that like and subscribe, baby. We're going on a ride regardless. We're going to make money whether we short or whether we long Bitcoin. The problem with all of this stuff is we need to see the new price of what I was saying. It's now going to be the 36.3. I'm sure it's somewhere above here. Yep, there it is, kids. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to break this price through. We need to come through like a bat out of hell. Why? Because we have to. Why? Because I gotta. Reminds me of The Mask, that movie. My name is Cuban Pete. Oh, I'm the king of the rumba beat. And when I shake my characas, I go chick, chicka boom, chick, chicka boom. We need to break this price. And if I woke you up, it's twice as nice. I feel like Dr. Seuss on the loose. Don't grab my goose. Here we go. I'm talking about my gray goose. Don't grab it, baby. What's up, Emerald? Good morning. Crack a mother effing dawning. As we need some more likes to get this algorithm going through the roof. We go live, and we don't get the love we deserve. What's happening is we needed to bounce off here, as I was trying to show you on the arrows. These would be problems. 36.3. I'm trying to show you a couple times because that's how big of a deal it is. I'll raise it. We need to come back up to here. Notice that this W that I'm forming or making here, which is horrible W, I just want you to understand it. It needs to finish up to here. Look, notice how coincidental. We're down here. This is your support level. It's the horrible color for a purplish looking color. That's like pink, whatever. We'll take it. That's what I'm talking about. Up here is the resistance, so we go orange. We need to come through, hit a little resistance, and then smash through. So pay attention to that on the Bitcoin price for a huge deal. We'll see some resistance, and then if not, and we smash through, celebrate the 39.3, and you can long it to 39.3. If we don't, all right, we'll just do it easily. Don't see resistance. I'm trying to make it short so it's not long across the screen. If we don't see resist, then we'll see 39.3 quickly, swiftly. Seriously, it's not a lie. If we pay attention to that, we will probably get that. Go to the indicators, go to the EMA. I want to see my EMA ribbon. This is the 4 release, so we're going to get rid of all my indicators. I'm probably going to save it. Let's save it. I'm going to save the mess, get rid of the drawings, and go to my EMA. This is the exponential moving average. This is where you will receive a little more information of what can be possibly happening. How far will we go below the EMA? Well, this is my EMA ribbon. Pay attention. Oh, I screwed it up already. All right, here we go. So this is my EMA. I want to get to the base of the EMA. I want you to understand what's happening. Look at the lining. I'm going to the outside of my EMA. All right. Come back up. There it is. There's all the peaks. If you notice, I'm doing all the peaks and all. If I was to color inside the lines, this would be maybe a 4.5-year-old or a 7-year-old. That's pretty good. All right. Now, let's focus on what I'm doing here. This is the body of the whales. The whales are swimming in this bitch. You understand me? Like, this is like the best analogy I could give to you. The whales are swimming in this kind of area. It's called the red zone. There's, like football. Like, it's the red zone, man. Understand what I'm getting to. Okay. See the outside zone. The yellow is you're out of bounds. Well, every time, pay attention, we're above out of bounds. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Boom. Out of bounds like Madden. Boom. Out of bounds. Boom. If he would have caught that, that would have been a touchdown. Yeah, no shit. That's why he's done doing that. Plus, he's old. And when you get old, nothing lasts forever. We already know that. Just like these prices, sucking will not last forever. I'm trying to explain to you that eventually, if you're not buying a house today and you wanted to buy a house with these wonderful prices and you thought you were going to investment, and you were going to buy a house, you're going to buy a car, you're going to buy the dealership, you're going to be the man, you're going to be the woman. Well, listen, I'm trying to explain to you that these are the outside movements of the EMA exponential moving averages. When we go up, we're loving life. 40,000 even during this month. Pay attention, it's the month of June. Okay, we're not doing nothing crazy. We're talking about just the month of June through the beginning of May. This is just a whole month cycle. It's 1 month. Don't pay attention. This is very important to pay attention. Look at what we've been doing. 40,000, 32, 40,000. If we don't go into a cycle of where we're going to dip down and fall through this level and hit these levels as before, and we're just going to create new high lows, which is possible. We've came down here, it's scary as hell. But when we finish on the candle, where is the meat? That's what I'm trying to explain to you. When we finish on the candle, where is the meat? Is it up or down on this level? Are we going up or are we going down on these levels? Do you see what I'm trying to explain? We're going up. So that's what you need to pay attention to. Stop worrying about the down momentums. If we pop through here now, and I'm just saying if, this is hypothetical, because we're so far down, right? Down on the EMA, right? We know about the EMA. The yellow's right there. We're following the yellow. This is the end zone, right? In NFL, right? Or basketball, however you want to look at it. We're falling down. Well, after some time, you get some time just sitting in the here, and then we go through and we break back through here, and we're back to 40,000 again. If you don't understand that it might be time to do that again, then you're not paying attention to the market. You're not understanding. It's the EMA. It's the averages. Now, don't take me as a registered financial advisor. Because we've been in this similar formation before and went up doesn't mean we're going to do that again, even though history repeats itself. Even though, if you notice on this upward trend line that I'm showing you, we're about fucking even, Steven. And I'm trying to explain to you that's because Elon Musk with the 1.5 billion Tesla bought. It's important to keep talking about that. Happy New Year. I don't think you understand. That's January. Happy New Year. People are not getting it. People are not correlating what this is. Happy New Year. Elon Musk was involved. Elon Musk, we trust, was involved. He taught everyone. I'm screaming because I'm getting mad. He taught everyone this can happen. Oh, boom shakalaka. If I could do boom shakalaka. He taught everyone this can happen. What the fuck does he mean? What does he mean? Wall Street Pete, what are you talking about? Oh, that's what he means. That's what Wall Street Pete means. Oh, so if we all come together, he means, Via Feliz. Feliz Navidad. Don't get me started. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Oh, wake all machos, you touch me, ta-ta. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Woo! He cracked his voice. You better lower that shit. Yeah. Happy New Year. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, in crypto. Feliz Navi, motherfucking da. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. You got to understand what's happening here. These are high volatile waves. It's Happy New Year. That's what I keep telling you. And what I wanted to show was that we've been here before and that we're saying if we come together, together, we can build it. If you build it, it will come. I'm not kidding. This shit is real as steel. I'm surprised he hasn't fucking had this already on his shit and then put Bitcoin or DOGE Coin or something next to it. Feliz Navidad, man. It's going to be Christmas in the summertime. I don't know if it's going to be July. I'm not sure if it's going to be July. Listen to me. But Ethereum is clearium. It's going down like Bobby Brown out of the town. And if we keep coming through on this trend all the way from where we've come from before, and no one understands that, you realize where we've been. This trend, look where we're going. These waves look like shit. They look like nothing to people. But when you really break it down and zoom in and see the price action where we've come, look, we got minus, negative. Don't ever think Bitcoin can't come through somewhere down here. You would shit your pants if you would know the possibility of what could happen to Bitcoin. All right, so let me educate you. Bitcoin could be Bitcon, con artist. Don't ever think that you're safe in holding. You are never safe. I'm going to tell you right now, you're never safe in the Bitcoin world. I don't give a damn what anyone says. I keep it real as steel, and I want you to know you need to be on your motherfucking high heel, as high as you can go. So Wall Street Pete, Sicto, crypto. I'm going to leave you with this thought. I'm going to leave you with this understanding. If we don't break through the 36, we're just going to bang out these prices. The 30,000's here. If we don't break through the 30, let me get to the hourly, bang out. get a little better understanding so we can see it better, because I'm not going to leave you with some BS. I definitely don't want to do that. I don't want to leave you with nothing bad or leave you with any bad juju, because I just talked about a lot of bad stuff. I want you to understand, this is the hourly. The possibility is always here. If we fall through the 25, we did a quick review of this video. We're talking 4 cycle, seeing 4 years on talking about getting back to 100K. That's just the truth. That's just real as steel. We can't allow that to happen, so we need to come together and build it. As Elon just showed you, Happy New Year. We're starting all over again. We need to consolidate down as we did. Now we need to build and come through. What do we need to see? Wall Street Pete, because you keep telling it and you're getting off topic. Well, this is what we need to see. We need to break through the 36.3. I'm not going to do no lines, no TA. I'm tired of doing this shit. If you want to do a quick one right here across, I don't even care what it looks like. I'm telling you what we need to do. This is the little cheat sheet before you go, before you leave. We need to break through like Bobby Lou. I don't know who the fuck that is, but we need him. We need fucking Bobby Lou to come through. I'm telling you right now, we need to break through like Bobby Lou. It sounds crazy. Let's go. It's kicking bud. I don't know what that means. Shiba token. Let's see if Shiba token's on here. Shiba, Aniba. Yeah, I don't even want to look. Okay, I don't want to look at nothing. Chainlink is $18.89. I want to... for real. I've never seen prices like that. We're back in 1982. Yeah, right? Back when Tupac was around, or about to make a move or something, right before he was just born. We're going back to some crazy prices. Get ready to see 1884. That's something I wanted to say. So as we're breaking down, and I was explaining to you, these prices are very necessary, very possible. This is Ethereum. I want you to understand that this may be my ultimate low price buy. If you see this price for Ethereum, and that's why I'm getting off right after here, if you see this price for Ethereum, I'm just going to explain it to you quickly, because I don't want to fool around. I'm not watching nothing but my own TA. I don't give a shit what no one else is saying. If, and it's all if, it's like the weather. I'm tired of the weather. I know they're wrong, they're right sometimes. But guess what? This is like TA. If you see that price, buy the fuck out of Ethereum. That's all I want to say before we go. Buy it. That's all. That's all you need to know. If I see that, I mean, right now it's already that kind of formation. But it's like, I got to sell my home. I got to sell my cat. Do you like a cat? Would you like a dog? I got 2 cats, 2 dogs, a wife, 2 kids, 3 fucking bouncy balls. You know, it's going to be like that. I'm telling you right now, it's going to get wild. The blood's going to be in the streets. It's going to be people wanting to dive off and people wanting to catch him. Like, let me have all that real quick. You can go. Take it. Goodbye. All right, thank you. It's going to be nuts. So pay attention to all that. We need to break through the 36.3. If we don't break through the 36.3, we're going to be in a lot of trouble. You see 30,000. Before you see the 36, you're going to be seeing some Clearium 27,000. And if then we don't break off, this is quick, fast money, Wall Street Pete on Monday. Even though this is a long video, I want you to understand, if you do see, and there it is, there's my X, woo, daddy. There it is, there's my crossway. We're going to see it. If you see the 27, I'm just explaining to you, that's coming when you see the 35. So don't see that and break through. You're going to see that. I'm not a registered financial advisor. I'm just a dude that likes to wear the visor. Wall Street Pete, Sicto. In crypto, I thought you'd know. It's going to be a tough day. It's Monday. Get through it. I know. I hate Mondays too. But if you can understand, there's better days ahead. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, in crypto. We're going to have a good day. La, da, da, da. Woo! Ain't no one got to die today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. La da da da. Yeah. It's Wall Street Pete. I like the beat. I really don't want to fucking smell those feet. We can't get down to the bottom of the beat. We gotta keep it up and keep moving through the street. It's Wall Street. Have a big seat, get something good to eat, sit long enough to maybe get a treat. We're gonna buy it my way, we're gonna go maybe to the highway, do some TA. You gotta understand, you can't be scared, you can't let a bear bite you in the ass. It's really fast, and if you don't understand, I'm trying to be a better man. Go outside and enjoy the sun. We're gonna have fun and get a little tan, man. Stop being the bitch in the sand. It's gonna fall. I don't know if you understand. It's gonna be okay. And if you don't get out, you should have told you. that Wall Street was the way. Listen to me, everyone. I was trying to explain to you back before the Father's Day weekend on Friday, my way, that we were going down. We were going to fall. I said, you can hold. I said, you can hold. Or I said, you can sell now. And if you don't want to know, go back to the video and you'll see where I said it on my show. Going to the moon, we're going soon. Sickdo and Crypto. Wall Street Pete, have a wonderful day. Monday's a crazy day. Thank you very much for this instrumental, Greg Street. Look for the bottom, look for the beat. You can do something nice. I love it. This is one of my favorite instrumentals. I love it. Have a good day, Nappy Roots. Get your roots, plant them down, get back in bed like I said, Fred. Have a better attitude. Come on, baby. You know you deserve better than that. Sickdo Crypto. Hit that home run with a baseball bat. We out. O-Town.